So I want you to close your eyes for a minute and just allow that higher self, that silver color light to merge within you, to come through your crown and just merge its energy within. How did you feel during the meditation? You all can open your eyes and you all can share.
I felt some sensation under the soles of my feet as such.
Okay,
It's like something warm, something soft touching and going.
beautiful. Thank you for sharing.
Yeah, for me, actually, as soon as the bell rang, suddenly I could able to see the vibration that is releasing the negativity. It is moving out of the body.
Beautiful. Thank you, Harish.
Thank
Yeah, I could see something like flowing from like, crown to down to like, throat, something flowing down. So that's what I felt. And I could see something like a bright light in the starting opening up. That was one thing.
Beautiful. Thank you for sharing that. Anand, you're saying that you had multiple thoughts, which is okay, which will slowly, eventually move out and die down as we start with our clearing process of past lives. All right. So, is there anything else that you would want to share? Is there anything else that you would want to talk? Anyone else wants to share anything? Uh, Harish, you can take Mimulus if you want for courage. Mimulus, only
you.
4 drops in 1 liter bottle of water.
Yeah. Okay. Sure, ma'am.
Yeah. Anyone else wants to share anything? Any thoughts, afterthoughts?
Taranam, I want to share something, but I'm not very sure if it's connected. And now I have a very good friend. Okay, so we know each other for about 15 plus years. We work in the same company, different teams, and she's a single mom. Okay, so I know how much she struggles and stuff. She's 3 years, 2, 3 years younger than me, and she works in the procurement field while I work in the PMO part of it. Now she's got an offer for about 2 levels above me with a limited number of experience than me for a package which is good. See, I'm happy for her as a friend. Okay. But that is the time when I look at retrospection and say, boss, what am I doing?
Correct.
Because see, I don't want to compare with her. My question is, what am I doing? Where am I stuck? And top of that, when you go to office and you talk, your boss says, if you say promotion as such, you ask him like promotion, the guy at the very top will ask what extra has he done. Whatever he's done till now, you give him a good feedback. But when you ask for promotions, they don't have budget. They want to know what you have done and stuff. And the amount of work that I do right now, it is not something that's from my level, but I do it because that's the way I'm configured. Take up something, you don't drop it in between, you carry it till the end. You have people under you. So all this together is causing dissatisfaction in me where I start thinking, what the hell am I doing? See,
I,
everyone works for money. Okay, you want money so that whatever life that you are looking at. If you want, let's say, you want to move into something else, maybe other than a corporate life, you need money for that. You want to maybe retire, you want money for that. You want to maybe be an author, a coach, a speaker, you want money for that. That's where I'm stuck now.
what's your question?
My question is, what do I do?
Are you taking back?
Yes, I am.
Rescue, are you taking?
Rescue remedy, correct.
How many days now? How much time has it been?
I'm not a very frequent user as such, Taranam. I use it maybe once in 2 days, once in 3 days,
Uh,
depending on the situation.
can you make it regular and add olive to it?
Sure, olive oil or olive back.
Olive bark, a
Okay.
batch flower, olive. Okay, olive is for exhaustion, physical,
Okay.
mental, emotional exhaustion.
So that also same thing, huh? 4 drops in, sorry, 2 to 4 drops in 1 liter of water, is it?
Drops in 1 liter. So along with rescue, you will add these 4 drops as well.
Okay, so total of 8 drops then, if you look at 1 liter of water.
Yes, total of 8 drops.
Okay, fair enough, Taranam. I'll try that out. And it's available on Amazon, right, Taranam?
Yes.
And Taranam,
Sure.
I wanted to ask, so I got a job offer, like, should I use it? The pay is good. Should I use it as one where I could, boost my current CTC, or should I
Right.
join there?
Shift, shift, shift. Move, move, move.
I can move.
Yeah. Move, move.
Last time I asked you, you told me not to move till July.
I know. I know. But the energies of this new organization seems better.
Okay. Because I worked here earlier. Okay, but I don't know how it's going to be the second time. First time I didn't have a good experience there. So,
Are you in a position where you can negotiate with them?
for you mean the pay or something?
Yeah.
I think the pay is really good, but what hampers is that work-life balance won't be there.
No, no, in
And
this company where you are currently.
I can negotiate, I think, for my pay or something, and maybe I could expect a promotion next year or something. I don't know.
So first find that out if they are increasing your pay and your growth is there. Are you getting a higher designation in the new one?
No, I'm getting the same designation.
Getting the same designation. Shouldn't you be getting a better promotion also along with?
Yeah, but the pay is high, but the designation is the same one.
Do you want to go at that cost? Is the question.
That's also my question, because here whatever pro I have here, I don't have here. Here the work-life balance is good, and maybe the promotion will be given next year. Here, I think at least I need to wait a year for promotion for the new organization.
मार्च कितना दूर है? Hardly any days for March.
Yeah, there is like 3 months or so.
So if promotion happens, then you'll have a salary increase also.
Hmm. Because this is a big four company I had gotten. So yeah.
मेरे को मेडिटेट करके देखने देना क्योंकि एनर्जी वाइज तो अच्छा है कंपनी इट्स नॉट बैड
Okay.
बट लाइक आई टोल्ड यू इवन आई हैड फेल्ट दैट योर टाइम फ्रेम वाज नॉट द राइट टाइम टू जंप बट अगर अपॉर्चुनिटी आ रहा है तो आई डोंट वांट यू टू मिस आउट ऑन इट इफ आई वर टू लुक एट इट फ्रॉम यू नो perspective of growth
Okay.
कल आंसर देती हूँ तुझे
Okay. Sure.
ठीक है ग्रेट हाँ जो दिस इज द वन यू कैन टेक इट यू विल गेट यू
Oh,
नॉट होम्यो फार्मेसी नहीं है क्या है ना उधर होम्यो फार्मेसी इन
homeo and pass nahi hai, Taranam. That's a problem.
ठीक है कॉल फॉर इट
Okay, sure. Thanks, Taranam.
थैंक
So
यू
white bash flower is the rescue remedy, right?
व्हाट बाबा
White bash flower is the rescue remedy.
व्हाइट
Bash flower,
और
rescue remedy.
रेमेडी आया
Okay.
यस all right so I will see you all Sneha I'm going to be here you have a question you want to ask now or you want to wait हाँ पूछो पूछो आनंद बोलो of course
मैम मेरा क्वेश्चन यही था कि लाइक मेरा बिजनेस में अभी थोड़ा सा ग्रोथ रुका हुआ है एंड वो कब से ठीक होगा एनी आइडिया
Anand your when you start you're taking are you also taking rescue Anand
या बट लाइक अभी तो रेगुलर नहीं लिया मैंने
या रेगुलर करो ना कुछ चीज कंसिस्टेंट रखोगे ना तो रिजल्ट मिलेगा ना
ओके रेगुलर करेंगे।
रेगुलर करो तो यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग रिजल्ट्स, इरेग्युलर रखा तो कंसिस्टेंटली मिस आउट हो गया तो यू वोंट गेट रिजल्ट्स ना,
हम्म।
Yeah.
है ना. So keep consistent. All right. Any more questions anybody has? No? Okay. So I will. Is it okay if I see you all tomorrow then?
Sure, Tarnam. Thank you
Sure.
so much. Thanks, everybody.
Thank,
Take care.
yeah,
Have a nice evening. See you guys
Thank
tomorrow.
you.
yeah. Thanks, everyone.
So I see how we can sort that issue for you. Okay. Let me check.
Sure.
मैम
Sure,
एक
Tarnam.
और
Thank
लास्ट
you so much.
क्वेश्चन था मेरा। मेरा एक पार्टनरशिप ब्रेक हो गया था, मतलब कुछ मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग के कारण, मतलब बिजनेस पार्टनरशिप। तो मतलब मुझे रियलाइज हो गया, तो क्या वो जो पार्टनरशिप है क्या रेज्यूम हो सकता है?
करना है, जरूरी है करना.
हाँ मतलब जरूरी तो है।
नाम भेजना उसका चैट में.
ठीक, इसी चैट में।
हम्म, ठीक. आनंद, इसका ना ईगो बहुत है, तो यू विल ओनली हैव टू गो एंड टॉक टू दिस पर्सन ना.
ओके हाँ।
और अगर वो जो भी पेरेंटल इश्यूज था, इफ यू कैन से सॉरी एंड यू कैन स्टार्ट, आई थिंक इट शुड. इफ यू रियली रियली आर लुकिंग एट इट देन गो अहेड, अदरवाइज छोड़ देना.
ठीक है, तो उनके तरफ से क्या वो है क्या कि इनको करना है या नहीं?
Anand, we will do that in telepathy. Good question for you to hold. कि telepathic जब हम करेंगे तब आप ये करो, so that
ठीक
you get answers and you know clearly कि क्या करना चाहिए. Okay.
ठीक।
All right, guys. Right, folks. I will see you. Sneha,
Tomorrow.
yeah, I will see you all tomorrow.
Thank you so much, Tarnam. Thanks, everyone.
Yeah. Thank you
Take
so much,
care.
Tarnam. Thanks,
Good night.
everyone.
See you guys
Yeah.
tomorrow.
Yeah,
Bye-bye.
Harish, remember the chocolates, please, from Malaysia.
Both of
Sure.
you got job offers. Don't forget the
Yeah.
chocolates. I'll give you my address.
Yeah,
Please deliver
same.
it.
No, Bangalore, I'll give.
And if you have a doubt saying, if your pay is high and you're doubtful about taking it, take the offer. I'll give you my bank account. Remaining account you can transfer it there.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
You
Chal guys,
know,
take care. See you guys tomorrow.
Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah.
exchange chocolates.
Yeah.
Yes. Home
Yeah.
delivery.
Sure.
Yeah, that's right. Home delivery.
Yes. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Take care. Bye. Good night.
Bye.